Hey friends, this is Atif for KP3R and welcome to the new update on Keeper or KP3R. Right now there are really very critical movements for Keeper because it is testing a very critical support that we had at $120 on the weekly time frame. And the next immediate support on the long term will be at $100. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this pattern. So it is chart on the weekly time frame. And here I've been showing you this was a very important and significant support for Keeper that is at $120. And you can see in the last week we had a nice bounce from this support. If I switch back to this daily time frame, then we can see that we had some accumulation here at this support, and then we had another move to the upside and rejected by the next resistance, and now we are again testing this support. And the next immediate support on this weekly time frame will be here at $100. In fact, this $120 to $100 is a very strong support zone for Keeper. If I highlight this area, then you can see whenever the price line is entering is in this zone. For example, we entered here in this zone, we had a very big rally, and again we enter in this zone, and again we had a nice bounce and rejected by this resistance of $200. We moved down up to $100 and rejected by the $200. Again moved down, and you can see it when it broke down this support, then it turned into a strong resistance, and for several weeks it was getting rejected by this resistance of $100. And when we broke it out once again, this zone, then we had a very big rally, very huge rally. And after finding here a resistance, approximately at $2,000, we have found a resistance. The price line again moved down, and right now we are again testing this critical support zone that is from $120 and goes to $100. And if we will break down the support, then this will be our last support we have here at $65, and we have already tested this zone on this weekly time frame chart here, this support in July 2021. And the next resistance will be at $200, and we can see that previously it has been breaking as a resistance here, as a resistance here, and as a support here for several weeks from December 2020 to here April 2021. It has been breaking as a support, and before that it was breaking as a resistance here in November 2020. And after that, we will have the next resistance at $300, because it was breaking as a support here for several weeks from September 2021 to November 2021. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance here for several weeks and as a support here as well. And the next support will be at $440. It has been breaking as a resistance here for 2 weeks, and as a resistance here and here and here as well, and also almost here as well. And then we will have the next resistance here at $550, and after $550, the next major resistance will be approximately at $2,000. There are some support and resistance levels between this area, but you can see the major resistance will be here at $2,000. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame, like on the daily time frame, then here Keeper has formed this down channel. And you can see we were having a nice buying volume. This is the buying volume, you can see by the way here. And we had a nice buying volume. When we reached the resistance of the channel, again, there was an extreme sell-off. You can see that this volume is showing extreme sell-off on this daily time frame. And after this sell-off, the price line of Keeper is again slightly moved down, moved up again rejected. And we also have some follow-through of the sell-off volume, and the price line is slightly moving down right now, but it is not touching this support so far. You can see it is moving sideways here, and this is the support of approximately $100 we have here. And you can see we have already tested the support here for 3 or 4 days. We have been testing this support, and right now if the price line will be completely rejected, like it is likely to be rejected once again, then it can again test this $100 support. That is also a very long-term support that I was showing you here as well. And for example, if Keeper breaks out this channel, then our next target to the upside will be the top of the channel. That will be approximately at we have a lot of resistance here that is at $590 approximately. You can see on this daily time frame chart according to this down channel. So next few hours or days are really very important. We can see that we are moving here extremely sideways, and we had only had this move to the upside and rejected by this resistance, and again moving sideways and now slightly moving to the downside. And you can see that the movement between this support of $100 and this resistance of the channel is getting squeezed. So at any time it can break out or break down. I'm expecting that soon it can break out. But if Keeper breaks down this support, then there will be a high probability. I'm not expecting that it is moving more down to test the support of the channel approximately at $20. I'm expecting that it will test the support of $65 then, if that support of $100 will be broken down. If I place this $65 support here, then you can see this is our next support, the long-term support coming here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.